welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me show you how to use Camera Pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode, so we have to change it to Pro. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply sliding to right to the end. And here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So as you can see here we have 3 sliders. Let me show you how to use them. The first one is the exposure compensation slider, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right on it, we can make our photo more bright. By going to the left, we can make it more dark, as you can see. To go back to auto, we have to simply slide to 0 to the center of this slider. The next one option here we can manage is ISO, so we can change camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive to 1/6000 of it, so I think this spectrum is really enough, like this type of camera. And the last one parameter is white balance, so we can adjust temperature of our picture, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So we can pick here tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light, and the cloudy light. And of course, to go back to auto white balance, we have to slide to the left to the beginning of the slider. So this is how to use these settings. Now let me take a photo. So let's adjust exposure compensation a little bit brighter. The ISO might be here, and the daylight white balance. To see my picture, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.